Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures! In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with a consonant cluster BR. This is read as br. And consonant cluster CR. This is read as cr. Come, spell and read with me. Brush. B R U S H. Let's spell the word again. B R U S H. Brush. Let's read the sentence. Say, Coco uses a brush to paint. Coco uses a brush to paint. Brown. B R O W N. Let's spell the word once more. B R O W N. Brown. Let's use brown in a sentence. Say, the chocolate is brown. The chocolate is brown. Brick. B R I C K. Let's spell that again. B R I C K. Brick. Read the words after me. He makes a brick wall. He makes a brick wall. Bridge. B R I D G E. Let's spell the word again. B R I D G E. Bridge. Read the words after me. The children cross the bridge. The children cross the bridge. Bride. B R I D E. Let's spell the word once more. B R I D E. Bride. Let's use bride in a sentence. Say, the bride wears a gown. The bride wears a gown. Cry. C R Y. Let's spell that again. C R Y. cry. Let's read the sentence. Say, the babies cry. The babies cry. Crow. C-R-O-W. Let's spell the word again. C-R-O-W. Crow. Read the words after me. A crow perches on a branch. A crow perches on a branch. Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Let's spell the word once more. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Read the words after me. The king wears a crown. The king wears a crown. Crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Let's spell the word once more. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. Let's read the sentence. Say, Jack and Jane use crayons. Jack and Jane use crayons. Crab. C-R-A-B. Let's spell that again. C-R-A-B. Crab. Let's read the sentence. Say, the crab scuttled on the sandy shore. The crab scuttled on the sandy shore. Great job, kids! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.